Welcome! This is the final video to fix all your worries about backing up and restoring data when switching to GrapheneOS. Are you struggling to move your photos, messages, and apps without losing anything? This happens because GrapheneOS works differently from regular Android, so normal backup methods often fail or get complicated. Most guides on YouTube or social media make it confusing with long steps, multiple apps, or technical jargon that just slows you down. But on Rexish, I have a simple trick that saves all your important data quickly and safely using just a few clicks. You don't need to root your phone or install confusing tools. I'll show you how to export everything and restore it perfectly on GrapheneOS without stress. If you want to make a step-by-step tutorial for this, comment below and I'll guide you through every step so your switch is smooth and worry-free.